After trying this recipe, you will be hooked. Not only are raw fermented beets super tasty, they also have loads of health benefits too. Hi everyone, my name is Jackie, and today I'll be showing you how to make your very own fermented beetroot salad. Yum! Before we begin, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. You might be wondering, why are beets so awesome? Because of all the health benefits they have. It contains nitrates that turn into nitric oxide. It delivers oxygenated blood to muscles. It enables you to extract more energy and reduces inflammation in the body. Plus, this jar turns out to be this beautiful deep color that makes eating it even that much more fun. And isn't that the best? Feeling good and having a nutrient-dense packed meal. To find out more information about how useful everything in this jar is, check out my blog post at simplypresent.org. The link is down in the description. All right, let's go make this colorful jar of goodness. Grab some beets, grab some carrots, grab some cabbage, and a little bit of salt. Grab a jar with a tight lid and a food processor. Now that we have all of our supplies, let's go ahead and use the food processor to cut up our carrots. Having the pieces be smaller makes the salad easier to put together. Next are the beets. They get to be chopped up all nice and beautiful in the food processor. See how the carrots and the beets are super small now, just like the cabbage, so it'll be easy to put everything together. Go ahead and grab your carrots and layer them first. Next is our cabbage. Grab those beets. Add in the salt. Water goes last. Put the lid on and take this bad boy over to a cool, dark place like your fridge. Let the jar of fermented beets and carrots stay in your fridge for 48 hours to 5 days. And check on the beets to see how they are throughout the week. And when you feel they are all ready, go ahead and open that fridge. Give your jar a little wave because they are ready to eat. After that, we are all done. You could go ahead and eat these straight out of the jar that they're in, put it on a salad, put it on any type of topping that you want for something. Thank you so much for watching this video. Go ahead and leave a comment if you try this recipe down below. If you like the video, feel free to share. If somebody in your life needs some more yummy goodness and color, go ahead and bookmark this recipe, save it. You're gonna wanna try it out. I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. This is what I need in my daily life. Mwah.